everyone, this is Sen again, and welcome to my channel, or welcome to our channel. And again guys, first of all, I want to thank everybody who visited my channel and who support me always to watch all my videos, who came accidentally, and to all my silent viewers, thank you very much. And guys, I'm going to react now is the performance of Dimash. This was happened last year in China. This song is Opera 2, and now we are going to watch, and come with me to witness his good performance, incredible performance, guys. So come. Very nice.
Дом мой достроен, но я в нем один. Хлопнула дверь за спиной. Ветер осенний стучится в окно, плачет опять надо мной. Ночью гроза, а на утро туман. Солнце остыло совсем. Давние боли идут чередой, пусть собираются все. Мой достроен, но я в нем один. Хлопнула дверь за спиной. Ветер осенний стучится в окно, плачет опять надо мной. Это судьба, а судьбу не могу я ни о чем простить. Только я знаю, как после меня станут ветра глазить.
Galing-galing. Wow. crazy performance. Unbelievable. Speechless. What can I say? I'm speechless again, guys. Very nice. And you know, if he make birit, we call it birit in the Philippines, birit with the very high, and I'm using two headset, it will not irritated my ear, so it's very smooth, even it's very high. So Dimash is the only Dimash in the world, and you know that he have a very nice smile and tantalizing eyes. He is really handsome. This guy is very blessed, full of blessings. So again, guys, for those who doesn't know yet of Dimash Kudaibergen, was a Kazakh singer from Kazakhstan. And okay, guys, that's it, our reaction for today. Thank you very much for watching. It's very nice and very lively performance of Dimash. So next I'll do another again a reaction video of Dimash. So thank you everyone who supported me, and for those who doesn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell so that if I have a new video, you will be notified. Again, guys, thank you very much, and this is Sen Hakalne. Bye.